In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI. Whether you're new to AI platforms or just exploring new tools, Perplexity AI is a fantastic resource for generating insightful and engaging content. We're excited to guide you through the basics in the next 5 minutes. First things first, let's get started by opening up your preferred browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you like best. Once you've got your browser open, you're going to head over to the Perplexity website. Just type Perplexity AI into your search bar, and it should come right up in the results. Click on the link, and you'll be directed to the home page of this powerful tool. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in, or if it's your first time, create a new account. Creating an account is typically straightforward. You'll need an email and a password, so go ahead and set that up if necessary. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to log in. It's important to have an account so that you can save your work and easily access it later. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to start using Perplexity AI. Here, you have the option to create a new thread or open an existing one. If you're new to this, think of a thread as a space where you store your sessions or conversations with the AI. It's like having a digital notebook where all your inquiries and ideas can live. If you're starting fresh, click New Thread. Otherwise, browse through your existing threads and pick up where you left off. Now, for the fun part, you get to type in your prompt or question. This is where you engage with the AI by entering what you're curious about or what ideas you'd like it to explore. The prompt could be as simple as asking for suggestions on a topic, or you could get creative and see what kind of unique responses the AI can produce based on more complex questions. As you type, try to be as clear and specific as possible to get the best responses from the AI. The more detail you provide, the more tailored and useful your results will be. So that's a quick dive into how to navigate Perplexity AI. Whether you're using it for brainstorming, problem solving, or just curious exploration, Perplexity can be a valuable addition to your toolkit. We hope this introduction has been helpful, and we encourage you to experiment with its features and see how it can best serve your needs. Thanks for joining us today, and happy exploring.